welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we are testing out something that I was sent by one of my subscribers, and it is the Mo U London, and it is a nail stamping kit. This is the instruction booklet. This is the template with the different nail designs on. And then you get this little bag. I'd never heard of this before, but it looks really cool. This is your little stamper. It's like a rubbery doodad, and then a little plastic bit, and then you get a scraper as well. The instruction booklet is quite hefty. The website is mou.co.uk. I'll link it down below. This stamper is currently on the sale for £2.99. The different design things are around about £5.99. And on the back of this, it basically just says, remove the blue sticker, which we are going to do. I say, I won't be able to peel it off now. Get off. Oh, it's coming. It's coming, look. So the sticker is gone. Look at this design. It's like I'm drawn to all of them. This one like looks amazing. They feel really cool. It's like, it feels a little bit rubbery, but then it's raised as well. It's very strange. I've never seen anything like this. On the back it says, apply some nail varnish. It says this is the special nail varnish, but I haven't got any, so I'm just going to use this one, which is a China Glaze red. I think I'm going to use that to start with. Remove excess nail lacquer with the scraper using a 45-degree angle. Pick up the design stamp using a rolling motion, and then stamp the design you're now using a rolling motion. Apply a top coat for a long-lasting result. It sounds easy. It's probably not. But I am going to aim you. These are my nails, by the way. I've just painted them black. I'm going to point you down here so you can see what I'm doing. I'll zoom you in a bit as well, and hopefully my camera will focus. So I think to start with, I'm just going to try and do a little palm tree. And on the instructions, it basically just sort of, you have to work quite quickly, I think. So peel it off, which we've done. We've done that. We've done the peeling. Then put it on a generous amount to make sure it's completely covered. And then it says use the scraper to scrape off the excess. And it says scrape. For better results, scrape once with confidence. Don't go like... So we're just going to try it. And then we'll see if I need to reassess the situation. So. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. So, there is the nail varnish. It said a liberal amount. So I've done a liberal amount. Got my scraper. I'm going to just scrape once with confidence and got nail varnish everywhere. Then I'm going to pick it up with this. Look. Then we're going to try and put this on my thumbnail. So it sort of worked. Look, I'm going to just zoom you out a bit because I can't see what I'm doing. It's there, but the red is not showing up on the black. We are gonna get a different colour and clean this up and come back. We're gonna try again. I've got a bright orange this time, whether or not this will do it, because you can see, like, the design is there. It is just, come on camera. Sort your fucking life out. It's not not very bright. So we're going to try again. And I think my nails are actually long enough. I thought I had quite long nails, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you like up here so you can see what I'm doing. So there we go. It says a liberal amount. So a liberal amount is done. I'm going to get my scraper and then scrape once with confidence. And it says roll this. The design is definitely there. And I'm going to try on my swearing finger. It worked. How cool is that? I think black nails probably weren't the best idea, but that definitely works. That's really cool. Okay, it is much later in the day. My nails are done. It was a lot of trial and error because some of my nails just aren't long enough for the designs or wide enough for the designs, but I have put a couple on. I am 100% going to be buying a Halloween one because I want Halloween nails. So I've just gone for grey nails, and then I have put a palm tree on this one. I have got a little leaf pattern on this one. Then I've got another palm tree on this finger, and then I've got a different leaf on my thumb. If it wants to focus, I will put in proper pictures of them because they're quite hard to show. I really like them. I think once you've practiced it will be much easier, but it was quite a lot of effort, but it was really fun, and I love all the different designs. So I will link it all down below. Thank you so much to What's for Tea for sending it to me because it's amazing and I've never seen anything like it before. I think it's really cool. And I can't wait to keep practicing. I was thinking I might actually try as well with some, this is just me, like my little brain working, with some cream eyeshadows, put them on, or like eyeliner, and then stamp onto the face. I don't know, I'm just thinking. But yeah, if you like these kind of try on, review, first impressions videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.